like this. And then I pick it up and I straighten up.
Yes.
And then I keep it close and bring it up. And then I turn.
Perfect.
Then I walk. And then I turn. Bring it down, elbow down, board down, and then hinge.
Yep. And you would just want to be closer to the thing with your whole body on that situation, obviously, because you had to do that. But that, I mean, that's just a proximity thing. That's nothing to do with your mechanics on your spine there.
Okay.
Cool.
And if I use my right arm on the outside, that was weird.
What happened there?
The board got wonky.
Oh.
Did you see? You didn't see it? It got wonky. And then there. And then here. And down to there. And that didn't feel quite right.
Yeah. Try that again.
Something happened. Okay.
So you don't even have to get into that deep of a squat, honestly.
I'm afraid of my back hurting now.
What? Ooh.
So if I'm here,
So just do a little hip hinge. Hip hinge, slight knee bend. There you go. How'd that feel?
it feels like it's further away from me. It doesn't feel as
Okay, that's fine.
safe.
Cool. Looks fine.
And then something happened here. I think it was that I didn't.
Yeah.
I don't know.